Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update the security devices drivers on Windows 11. Yes, you heard right. So I will tell you the steps. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. Device manager. As you can see on the top here, select it. Now expand the window. Now in the left panel, you can see all the list of the drivers. You have to select for security devices. Okay, I have find it. As you can see here, security devices, double click on it. Now you can see the trusted platform module 2.0 version. Just right click on it, and remember you have to right click on it and go to update driver. So it will show you up the two options. So I will tell you what does it. First we'll search for the automatic for the drivers, and second will browse in your PC if you have already installed it. So I will click on search automatic for drivers. As you can see here, I've already installed. Check in your Windows laptop or PC if you have not downloaded it. Download now. Now close this window. In the search bar, search for settings. Go to settings. Okay, on the right here you can see the Windows update. Click on it. Now check for updates. It will take a few minutes to check for it. You can download the latest update drivers from this window. You have to just click on check for updates and download if you have any pending download. It's taking some time. You have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, that's now it says you up to date. Check in your Windows PC or laptop and let me know if it worked for you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one.